Okay, this is a quick video about the issue on Samsung S10 Ultra, or it can be any S9 or S10 tablets out there. If you are like me, who's trying to make it work with your MIDI enabled pianos, then this tablet may not be for you. And let me tell you some of the reasons why. I have this piano connected to tablet using a newly purchased Ugreen. Let me get the packaging. Ugreen USB-C MIDI cable to USB-C to MIDI at the back of the piano. Let me show you real quick. This is it. There you go. Okay. The issue is that even though the application like Cubasis recognizes the piano like this, with that portable Grand 1, and this is how my other devices like a laptop or something recognizes the piano as portable Grand 1. This is a DGX 670 for what it's worth. So if I play this, nothing really is playing, and as proof, master volume is more than a half. Nothing really is happening. Now, let me quickly switch this up. I'll close this application real quick. And we'll try to turn on the separate app sound feature that Samsung tablets has. Turn on now. Cubasis, YouTube Music, set to Bluetooth. Doesn't really matter. We'd like it to be through MIDI, but it's not really the case. So I'll switch to tablet and switch back and open up the Cubasis app one more time. Start the trial. Play it back. As you can see, it's playing, but nothing is really happening still. Okay, audio is still portable Grand, which is good, but nothing is really happening per se. And one thing that is really telling too is that here at the MIDI settings of the piano, let me go back real quick. And so menu, MIDI, all parts, let's edit that. And let's go to the receive tab right there. The receive tab, usually something happens here. This ticks every so often when it receives information from a MIDI device like a tablet, but nothing is really happening here. Then let's try to go to transmit, and I'm pressing a key here, and as you can see, it's transmitting MIDI information to the tablet, or at least it's trying to, but nothing is really going on here. Okay, so I'm gonna restart this, but before that I will show you the setup for the routing or disabling of automatic routing of USB audio. Okay, I'm going to switch hands here. I will disable automatic audio routing with hopes that it may change a bit or two with this type of setup. So I'm going to restart this real quick. I'm going to fast forward. I don't like that. And see you at the other side. All right, we're back. Let me open this up and immediately open Cubasis. Let's see what has changed. Okay, setup, audio. As you can see, there's no more portable Grand right here. No more portable Grand. And before I do anything here in this app, let us quickly check the settings and go to sounds, separate app. Let's just disable this. outright and go back to Cubasis, and let's try to play it. Alright, that is the tablet generating that sound, not the piano, unfortunately. Now let me stop that and I'll press some keys here. Okay, do you hear that? That is a combination of the piano sound as well as the sound coming from the tablet. So now I'm going to turn down the volume. So what you're hearing now is the sound from Cubasis. And what's funny is that there's no portable grand here. There's no recognized MIDI device, input and output wise. This is very strange for a very high-end, ultra high-end not laptop, but a tablet that we have here. Stark difference when I plug in the same USB cable to my Pixel 9 Pro that I'm using to record this video right now. I just plug it in and go to YouTube, play a video, music comes out of the piano very easily. But this with this tablet, I just don't understand why. I tried two cables. I tried reformatting this tablet. I've also reformatted or reset this to factory setting, the keyboard or the piano right here. But all of those attempts can't seem to fix the issue that we're having right now. So it's a bummer, and just wanted to share that with you for all you musicians out there that are hoping to purchase an S10 Ultra or any S9 or 10 devices out there with the intention of working with Cubasis or any other software that records MIDI information. So thank you. Have a good day.